Hello, beautiful creators. This is Bettina Madini. I'm inviting you today to a class. It's an online class. It's actually a full month art program where we will be diving into the bits and pieces of you that you have cut off. And what is it that you have forgotten, that you have hidden about you, that you have kept secret? What gifts and talents do you have? What can you create that maybe somebody told you you cannot? And what if that was the biggest lie? So join me. We are starting on June 14th, and you will receive tools that you can use. We will have live meetings via Zoom where you can ask questions. You can paint. We will paint together. You will learn about color, and let's dive in. What if we can be sort of colorblind for what we have made wrong about us? If we don't see this anymore? What can we undo and melt limitations? Join me. I would be so happy to have you in that space with us. What can we all contribute to each other? And also what you will learn is how to really involve your body and engage your body in the creation process. We will use color for that, and that's all I'm going to say for now. I hope to see you there. And and so what is it that you're curious about? What is it that you are resisting? Let's see what we can create. What can you dive into? Where I'm always smiling when people say I'm a beginner. It's like, yeah, right. Right. It's what do you know about painting? What do you know about the medium? What do you know about shape and form? And what are you curious about? I was once when I came to New York City, I was curious about learning more about figure and body, where before I was an abstract artist. So I really studied portrait and figure too. Like I was like almost obsessing about it, like going to art school 7 hours a day every day and studying and learning and finding so much about what I actually know about it, where literally my hands, they got the ease with it, with the line and drawing, and that all came back to me. So I invite you to the space of what do you know actually, and what if we really let go of the blocks or the reasons why not, or where somebody said something to you that you are not good about, or what if it's time now for you. So let's together bring out what you have hidden from you. There are seeds that you have collected. I know this of all of you. You have them. What if there is some, like whether it is invisible beings or the universe or the earth, that is inviting you to dance? While you explore that, you find that it inspires your other art mastery that you have been for 50 million years already. And it expands, it contributes, it makes everything you do, even the meals that you cook, greater and more flavorful, because you bring in something that you had cut off of you, that you had forgotten, maybe neglected, or put in some corner for later. We all have hidden seeds of consciousness somewhere, and we hid them so well to protect them for some reason that we then forgot where we put them, like squirrels, right? But they are not gone. So I invite you into the space of where we can really find out and acknowledge and bring in and gather together